Attorney Matibag, do you know Mel Sabio?
Opo.
All right. Now, about 2 months ago, an old audio-video file of the two of you circulated online. By the way, we won't show that video out of respect to your to the party's rights, as well as I saw your wife here also, out of your family members' rights and also out of Mel Sabio's rights. I'll just ask you a few questions. This video circulated online, and you already came out in the media admitting that it was you and Mel Sabio who were involved in that video, correct?
Tama po yun. That is a private conversation sa dalawa pong magkaibigan na hindi nagkakasundo.
All right. And my only question to you is this. Did that incident demonstrate an emotional outburst on your part?
Kasama na po yun, combination na ng galit at disappointment. At ako naman po inamin ko na yan ay isang pagkakamali na akin pong tinanggap na rin at pinagsisihan.
All right. Could you recall what you said in that video?
Masama po yung aking mga sinabi. Meron pong hindi talaga kaya-aya.
Can you recall, just to give an idea of those who were not able to watch?
I cannot exactly recall because that was a really long time ago.
That's okay. Now, on July 10, 2026, you wrote a letter to Representative Luistro. Do you confirm this?
July 10.
July 10, 2026.
Opo.
All right.
Opo.
And in that letter, we can confront you with a hard copy, but we can also flash. In that letter, you mentioned, and I quote, "As Director of the Bureau, I will personally attend to represent the NBI at this summit of Director and Commissioner General level law enforcement leaders across the Asia Pacific, which will require my travel and attendance on those dates." Now, those dates pertain to July 21 to 22, 2026. So today and tomorrow. Do you confirm this?
Opo.
All right. Now, in that letter, there was a prior letter to that, correct? Which you received from FBI Director Kash Patel.
Tama po.
Do you personally know Kash Patel?
Hindi po, pero hindi po siya personal kong kilala.
All right. And did you inform him at any point that you're a lawyer?
Hindi ko po alam kung alam niya na abogado.
Okay. That's interesting because in the letter, and I'll use my pointer again, he referred to you as Dear Director Attorney Matibag, which in this record was submitted to this honorable court through the prosecution on July 13, 2026. Now, just a manifestation, this now forms part of the records of this case. So, are you friends or did he just research about your being a lawyer?
Ganito po kasi ang nangyari dyan. Meron pong high value target. One of the top 10 most wanted. Si Henry Kimball, ang pangalan po niya, who scammed the government about 2.8 billion. Number 2 po siya sa 10 most wanted. And we have a coordination meeting with our local counterpart ng US Embassy na FBI station in Manila, si Ma'am Courtney, asking for our help for the extradition of this person who happens to have a problem in the court in Makati. They were expecting na ito pong taong ito ay matagal pa bago ma-extradite sa kanila. Lumapit po sa atin sa NBI at dahil natulungan po natin na yung inaakala nilang buwan ang lilipas bago ma-extradite, inatulungan po natin sila sa loob ng 2 araw ay na-extradite po. Kung kaya nung na-extradite po, ito pong si Henry Kimball, ako po ay tinawagan ni Ma'am Courtney ng FBI nang siya nasa Amerika at sinabi na nagpapasalamat. Katunayan po, nagpadala po ng letter of gratitude ang FBI. At yung pong pag-attend ko sa Bangkok, hindi naman po basta lang ako attend dun sa conference. There was an opportunity on the side na magkaroon po kami ng pagpupulong po ng personal ni Director Kash Patel.
Yeah.
Kaya po gusto ko sana makadalo doon.
Thank you for that clarification. Anyway, I'm just asking because the schedule of the court actually changed or was altered because of this letter. Just a few questions on this. Now, upon perusal of this letter, it appears na sinulatan kayo na diretsyo ni Director Kash Patel and walang address yung NBI. It just says Manila. Do you confirm the receipt of this letter?
It was sent through an email.
Through
po.
email. Okay. Now, of course, before you wrote Representative Luis Tro, you first confirmed your attendance with FBI Director Patel. Am I right?
Wala pa po, the confirmation. Dahil malinaw naman po, sinasabi ko nga po kay Congressman Luis Tro na 2 event yan na magkasabay. Sayang yung opportunity na maaari kong makausap yung FBI Director sapagkat it's very rare that an FBI Director will talk to an NBI Director.
Yeah, oh.
So sinabi ko na baka naman pwede na mas mapaaga. Kung pwede lang at kung makikita naman po doon sa liham ko, respectfully I'm requesting. Pero lininaw ko po kay Congressman Luis Tro na 2 event yan at in order of priority, ang aking pong priority ang tumistigo po dito po sa impeachment court. At sabi ko naman, pinabot ko po through Ma'am Courtney that probably we can arrange another day na magkausap po kami ni Director Cash Patel.
Okay, thank you for that clarification. At any rate, you're admitting that before you wrote Representative Luis Tro, hindi pa final yung confirmation mo dito kay Director.
Meron na pong arrangement.
May
Pero
arrangement
alam po nila na ako'y magtitistigo. So kung malilipat po, that is the only time na ako po ay pupunta sa Bangkok po.
No, I'm talking about may confirmation na kayo ni Director Cash Patel before you wrote Luis Tro, wala pa.
There was already an invitation and information channeled to their local representative, si Ma'am Courtney po.
Ma'am, sino yun, ma'am?
Siya po si Courtney, siya po yung
I
FBI
see.
representative
Okay.
dito.
At any rate, my question is, do you maintain that this is an official invitation from FBI? Cash Patel?
Opo.
All right.
Katunayan, meron pong dumalo ngayon doon, yung pong aming representative ng IOD.
And it's also director or commissioner level.
Ano po, siya po ay division level po.
Are you at liberty to disclose the name? Or?
Yes, opo, Attorney Chris Hernandez.
Nandun siya sa Bangkok ngayon.
Nandun po siya ngayon.
Would you know kung si Director Cash Patel nag-attend dun sa Bangkok ngayon or nag-cancel din siya?
Hindi ko po alam. I
Ay,
have to get the information.
All right. Now, just one last manifestation, Your Honor. Again, these documents comprising of 3 documents, June 24, July 10, and July 13, were introduced by the prosecution and then are now part of the records of this case.